If you drilled a hole too large for your drywall anchor, you can still secure your fixture without replacing the whole wall. Start by assessing the hole size relative to the anchor and the load you plan to hang. For light loads like picture frames, wrap the anchor with repair tape or tape a small paper or plastic disc to increase its diameter and then insert it so it grabs the drywall. For moderate loads, pack the hole partially with spackle or setting type joint compound, push the anchor in while the compound is still soft, and allow full cure before loading the anchor. This creates a firm substrate around the anchor. If the void is irregular or deep, apply low expansion 2-part foam or a foam sealant sparingly to fill cavities, trim excess when cured, then refit the anchor or use a screw into the cured foam with a plastic anchor designed for foam-filled voids. For a durable repair, when the anchor must support substantial weight, remove the loose anchor. Use a wooden dowel or a length of hardwood toothpick or matchsticks with wood glue as filler, let dry, trim flush, then re-drill carefully for a proper anchor fit. If none of those fast fixes are appropriate, patch the hole with joint compound or a quick setting patching material, sand smooth after drying, and re-drill at the correct size or install a larger, heavy-duty anchor, such as a threaded drywall anchor or a toggle bolt for higher load capacity. Common mistakes include forcing the same anchor into an oversized hole, which causes spinning and immediate failure, so stop and refill the void before loading. Another issue is using too much foam or expanding sealant, which bulges the surface or prevents proper anchor seating, so use minimal amounts and trim cured excess. A third problem is redrilling into a patched but not fully cured repair and then losing hold. So always follow cure times for spackle or patch material and redrill only when the repair is fully hard. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives practical resources for repairs like this one, helping people find professionals when a job is beyond a quick fix. We also host an active discussion community where homeowners and contractors share tips, ask questions, and post real-world solutions.